Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix layer bar game camera problem. I will show you guys the very effective solution. So the first solution is check game setting. Go into the game setting and look for camera sensitivity inversion or any related controls. Adjust the setting to see if it improves the camera functionally. And if the game has a first person by third person view toggle, switching between them may temporarily fix the issue. Now check this fix the problem or not. Now the second solution is update the game. Ensure you are running the latest version of this game. Game updates often contain bug fixes for camera related problem. Check for updates via the platform using Steam by PlayStation. Now the next solution is update your graphic drivers. If you are playing on PC, outdated graphic driver can affect how the camera and rendering work in game. Visit your GPU manufacturer website, Nvidia, AMD, or Intel. Once you download and install the graphic drivers, simply restore your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your problem is still not fixed, then just simply open up your Steam, then click on the layer bar game. Then just go to your game properties. Now here just click on the option of install files. Then click on the option of verify and delete your game files. It will take some time, you just need to wait for it. Then just simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then lower graphics setting. Sometimes high graphics setting can affect performance and cause camera jitters or lag. Try lowering the graphic quality or turning off certain features like motion blur or depth of field. Now the next solution is controller by mouse setting. If you are using a controller or mouse, check the sensitivity setting within the game. Sometimes low or overly high sensitivity setting can make the camera feels unresponsive or too sensitive. Also make sure your controller or mouse is calibrated correctly. Now the next solution is restart the game. Simply restart your game can sometimes fix temporary glitches. Close the game completely and restart it to see if the camera issue is resolved. Now the next solution is reinstall the game. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Then simply check problem is fixed or not. Now try all of the solution and I hope one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.